Hey, so I had to make this short. Everyone's talking about the bird flu with egg prices. Do you know that since this global pandemic of bird flu's taken off, there are no egg shortages in any country except for the United States? They hate you. They tell you that you're going to own nothing and you'll be happy. They tell you that they're going to make you starve and eat bugs. And we're like, it's the bird flu. It's definitely not the World Economic Forum because Trump's in charge now. They still don't like you. There's no shortages. They're just killing everything. Cut the shit and stop regurgitating propaganda.